A dying SpaceX rocket triggers a giant spiral of light above the UK and Europe during the secret mission, but you're also going to see something that looks like meteorites going from the left part of the screen towards the right, two of them behind the rocket. A giant whirlpool of light known as SpaceX spiral, spotted recently swirling across the night sky over Europe as the Falcon 9 rocket prepared to re-enter Earth's atmosphere after deploying top-secret cargo. And this was March 24th. The giant swirl of light spotted floating across the sky over Europe like an ethereal whirlpool. The baffling light show was not caused by aliens, as some speculated, but a dying SpaceX rocket preparing to crash back to Earth shortly after deploying secret cargo into orbit around our planet. Secret cargo. At around 8 p.m. local time, 4 p.m. ET, people across the UK reported seeing the luminous swirl grow as it slowly streaked across the sky. It was like something from a sci-fi movie, according to the BBC. The light show was most clearly visible above parts of England, including Lincolnshire, Yorkshire, Leicestershire, Suffolk, and Essex, as well as in Wales, and further afield in Sweden, Croatia, Poland, and Hungary. Photographer Simon Minikin captured the ethereal scene in a stunning video that showed a bright spot appear and then grow in size before swelling into an ever-expanding vortex. The entire spectacle lasted about 12 minutes, with a spiral of light dissipating roughly 4 minutes after it unfurled. And there was initially some wild speculation about what had caused the unusual light show, with at least one observer blaming UFOs, but experts quickly pointed out that it was a SpaceX spiral, an increasingly common phenomenon triggered by light reflecting off rocket fuel dumped into space by SpaceX rockets before they re-enter Earth's atmosphere. In this case, the spacecraft responsible for the luminous swirl was the Falcon 9 rocket that had launched from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida at 1:48 p.m. ET, more than 4,000 miles away from where the bright spiral was later spotted. This rocket was carrying a secret payload for the National Reconnaissance Office, according to Life Science sister site space.com. The SpaceX spirals occur when the second stage of a Falcon 9 rocket deorbits and prepares to re-enter Earth's atmosphere, where it enters with either burns up or falls into the ocean. During this maneuver, the spacecraft dumps its remaining fuel into space, which then freezes into a cloud of tiny crystals that reflect sunlight to Earth. The second stage is normally spinning when the fuel is released, which is what causes the spiral shape of the resulting cloud, and explains why the vortex continually expands before dissipating. One of the most recent examples was the never-before-seen horned spiral reported May 2024 above parts of Europe. In April 2023, a stunning blue SpaceX spiral photobombed an aurora display above Alaska. The phenomenon has also been spotted twice by a camera attached to the Subaru telescope on Hawaii's Mauna Kea, first in April 2022 and again January 2023. Not every Falcon 9 re-entry results in a visible SpaceX spiral, but amateur astronomers can sometimes predict when they are likely to occur based on the rocket's trajectory, payload, spin rate, and the time of the launch. But in this case, the launch information was not shared in advance because of the secrecy of the mission. This is by Harry Baker on Life Science. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.